Are you a fan of Hindi films? Yes? Which movies do you like? Any specific genre? Or different genres and different films? Never mind. There might be a few films that you remember or you want to watch repeatedly no matter how many times you have watched. But there must definitely be some films that might have created a cringe-worthy or what the hell is this effect on you. Well, there are some Hindi films that are so bad that make you question even the basic necessity or the purpose to make such films. They make you wonder why in the first place you decided to watch them. Well, we have made a list of several movies that were so bad that the audience vowed never to watch again or watch some scenes to have a hysterical laugh if they want to enjoy the stupidity of such films. Deshdrohi. Wow, kya poster hai. How many of you know KRK? Kamal R. Khan? No? Well, he's a self-proclaimed critic giving reviews on films, even on life and choices of several famous actors. He also was a participant of the Bigg Boss Season 3 that was hosted by Amitabh Bachchan that time. He was eliminated because of throwing a bottle at his co-participant Rohit Verma in anger and became the first contestant to be prematurely kicked out of Bigg Boss house. His claims were funny enough, and also in 2008, he was the lead in the film that was also produced by him, Deshdrohi, where he played the role of a North Indian in Mumbai. His acting was fabulous. I mean really fabulous. Especially the sequence where he gets shot and is in severe pain. His acting is just mind-blowing. I haven't seen any actor portrayed so lively, with great emotions. Jokes apart, who told him to pursue an acting career, yaar? It was such a stupid and garbage film. I don't even understand why it became so known. It is definitely one of the worst films ever. Himmatwala. I still remember when I watched videos of a promotional event where Ajay Devgan and Sajid Khan are promoting their film Himmatwala, a remake of the 80s film of the same name. Ajay Devgan, sometime after the film was released, has told later on that he knew that the film would not make good business as he watched his final copy and realized that the film is really misfit. He knew it would be a disaster. In the video of the promotional event, Sajid Khan very confidently says that this film will break all the records at the box office and will join the 100 crore club. Like मैं छाती ठोक के बोल सकता हूँ कि ये फिल्म सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ देगी. He was so confident or so overconfident as one might say. Himmatwala flopped terribly. It crashed at the box office. God bless those poor few souls who decided to give it a try and went to watch it at the cinema halls. We feel your pain and your loss of time and money and patience and wisdom and sanity, and yeah, it's definitely a big long list of losses. You guys are the real Himmatwalas. In that old video, if you see the reaction of Ajay Devgan after Sajid Khan's overconfidence, you can literally hear his voice coming from his mind. Like तू पागल तो नहीं हो गया, क्या बोल रहा है? Like forget my Vimal, इसका नशा तो मुझसे भी सस्ता है भाई, मुझे भी दे दो जो भी है. Humshakals. Sajid Khan is a great filmmaker of worst films recently. He successfully impresses the masses to find his name in this list somehow. Pathetic jokes that not even a first standard kid would like. Garbage direction. Performances worth killing yourself to even witness them. I remember I was watching it as its world television premiere was being telecasted. Since it was a new film and having no idea about the performance of the film, I gave it a try, and in the first half an hour I gave the film like a millions of chances to change my mind. I literally patiently waited there, waiting for some twists and good subplots, some humor, punishing myself but still patient for just half an hour. Just half an hour only. That felt like an eternity, and after the half an hour I was so depressed, so devastated, so sorry, I don't have any specific words to describe my feeling. I switched off the TV and went off to sleep to change my mood. I don't have the exact statistics of the people that survived from the cinema halls. Thank God I didn't go to cinema halls. I will forever be grateful. जानी दुश्मन एक अनोखी कहानी. Sonu Nigam is a wonderful singer and a wonderful performer as a singer only. Oh, what a mesmerizing voice and so many great songs and music, like true magic for ears. But wait, have you seen him act? It's a similar feeling like some set of burning coal put into your eyes. Why, Sonu? Why? Why did you do it? If you don't know about this film, it starred Sunil Shetty, Sunny Deol, Akshay Kumar, Arshad Varsi, Aftab Shudasani, Manisha Koirala, Arman Kohli, Rambha, Aditya Pancholi, Sharad Kapoor and Rajat Bedi. It was a superstar cast, but a dirtbag of a story that portrayed some shape-shifting snake stuff and some Punarjanam thing, and a revenge saga by the male snake played by Arman Kohli, copying it from the Terminator films. बंदा खड़ा होके टॉप स्पीड में भागने का लगता है और पता नहीं उसके पीछे से, मतलब लिटरली पिछवाड़े से बाइक निकलती है और वो इंस्टेंटली बाइक क्या चलाने लगता है, और VFX की तो ऐसी की तैसी, गया तेल लेने। इंडियन ऑडियंस तो वैसे भी गधी है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, दिखाओ कुछ भी। दिस हैज टू बी द स्टूपिडेस्ट एंड द वर्स्ट फिल्म दैट इज स्टिल वॉच्ड फॉर सम सीन्स टू हैव अ गुड sarcastic laugh. कर्ज 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 कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं भाई? Oh, and this is a remake of the 1980 film कर्ज of Rishi Kapoor. God bless Rishi Ji's soul. He had to witness his legendary film torn apart so mercilessly. The film was recreated with Himesh Reshmiya in the lead, who composes great music, who thinks himself as a great singer, which in reality is not that great, and also thinks that he is a good actor. यार सिंगिंग तो ठीक है, लेकिन ये लोग फिर अपने आप को एक्टर्स क्यों समझने लगते हैं? अब हर कोई फरहान अख्तर नहीं बन सकता ना। ओह शिट, सॉरी, बैड एग्जाम्पल। उसका तो गला बैठा हुआ है जन्म से, और हिमेश भाई का तो गला ही नहीं है, बंदा नाक से गाता है भाई। एक्टिंग भी शायद नाक से ही करता होगा, क्योंकि आँख कान मुंह सब आउट ऑफ रिदम है इसकी एक्टिंग में। एटलीस्ट गाने में नाक का इस्तेमाल अच्छा किया है। ये आता है, गाता है, तन्नूरी नाइट्स, मजा आ गया। सॉरी, नाक फिसल गई मेरी। दिस फिल्म वाज सो बैड दैट इफ द आर्ट ऑफ एक्टिंग वाज अ पर्सन, इट वुड हैव कमिटेड सुसाइड। ऐसा क्या कर्ज था एक्टिंग का तेरे साथ जो इतने सूद समेत वसूल किया एक्टिंग से? सो दैट वाज द लिस्ट। टेल अस व्हाट यू थिंक ऑफ दीज फिल्म्स। देखिए अगर ये फिल्म्स तो सल्यूट है आपकी गट्स को। Have you missed any to add to the list? Do let me know in the comments. Also suggest which content you would like to be reviewed or discussed. If you like this video, make sure you press the like button down below. Share the video with your friends and family. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications from this channel for fresh content. Stay tuned for more such sassy and wacky entertainment. Thank you. Signing out.